But when Bhavesh asked me, what do you want? I said, no, we will have entertainment, eating, meeting, and not dating. End up our late nights. But finally, after coming to the RetailCon, I decided to run the video just to ensure that POSIFLEX is in India for the 13 years, and we continue to invest in India because I heard that we are winding off. Then I got my job is at stake. So we are not winding off. It probably, what happens outside, I don't know. So just to ensure that, I want to run the video. We invested in India in 2010, become a POSIFLEX India, and we are investing continuously. We will invest few more million in India to have more things to come. Thanks to our customers who accepted, adapted, and get delighted, we along with them. And Suresh Srinivasan explained what is success. Our success is by measure of number of customers that we acquired. And we see your success is our vision. The customer succeeded along with POSIFLEX and is our vision. And we not measured by profits, we are measured by the number of customers who work along with us, and we partner with them. So we don't want to treat us as customers, we listen, and we work along with them, we partner with them. And today, at this point of time, we have crossed more than 22,000 terminals installed in India, which has been working across different type of customers. It's a hypermarket, supermarket, small coffee shops, to a kiosk, to a mobile vehicles, to a industrial touch panels. This is what we are, and we tend to be there for a longer period. We are in India to ensure that we cross 1 lakh POS terminals in the shortest time period that we can. Thanks for our customer who supported us and who continue to support, and we ensure that you have a long journey together. With this, the concept of instinctive, smarter, disruptive, it continuously drives. I don't do magic, POSIFLEX doesn't do magic, we just only do a billing terminal. Nothing else great we do. Just a piecemeal for everybody. Why I'm standing here, something special. This technology getting smarter. Are we getting smarter to adapt it? Are we getting smarter to adapt it? That's constantly it's been driving to us. We don't talk about POS, we don't talk about technology. It's that how we adapt it. So adaptation of technology in different instance, at a given scenario, at a given process is what we look at it, and that is where we work along with our customers, just not selling only point of sale machines, how we change our process, how we adapt for a given process, for a given scenario, how to do it. POSIFLEX in India, constantly working beyond our ecosystem like Honeywell. Honeywell is one of our partners where we work with them. End of the day, the customer looks at retail, is a complete ecosystem of billing, scanning, counting inventory, adapting the counting inventory, how do I secure my inventory? So the whole process goes beyond a point of sale. So we're trying to seamlessly integrate the customer, the goods coming into the warehouse until it reaches the customer happily. Using it is what we look at, adapting that the complete ecosystem to ensure that under one umbrella we talk the same language. We talk the same language. With that, Honeywell being one side where today you have a scanning, mobility, RFID, whatever is available under Honeywell Intermec portfolio. Another side, we constantly investing to go beyond point of sale. Can I do something more for CIOs, CTOs, CEOs to have a business intelligence where I can acquire from point of sale? Of course, we have so many business intelligence, but I need to have the truth, moments, what I do in the billing, what happens in the billing. So we also have some of our partners, and we also invest. A point of sale, moments where you also capture some of the videos, sync with point of sale terminals, sync with your POS software, sync with your backend, and try to come up what happens at the billing counter. Is SOPs being followed? Is there is a pilferages happening at the point of sale? How do I capture that? How I sync with your transactions? How do I sync with the transaction related particular key data? So is what POSIFLEX currently involved in beyond point of sale. We can help to do all this seamlessly interfaced as a single planet and single solution, and that's a smarter to adapt the technology. With that, I'd like to run the second video for 2 minutes. It's a retail environment where a checkout counter has been superimposed by sale data.